Pawpaw, Sammy, and Alley Bug here. The other day, safety first, always. I went to blow my driveway, okay? My old blower over the years, the guard right here, it broke. The guard, you see the blade? Okay? You ought to know the rest of the story. I had it in my hands, and I was, for whatever reason, I was going to do this. And have you ever done anything you knew was wrong the minute you started to do it and stopped just in time? Maybe it happened. When I was going here, I realized that blade was exposed. And when I stopped, it just barely skimmed the palm of my hand. Right there, and I stopped because I knew it was broke. It's been broke. I set it on the concrete, and I got my 8-pound sledgehammer, my old ironworking 8-pound hammer, and I commenced to customize that jewel. Tore it all to pieces. That way, I'll never use it again. I know better. Now, so I went down there and I bought this. Now, the reason it's been unboxed, I don't really like to talk about something I don't really appreciate it. But this thing is really, really something else. Look, on your switch, you got one speed, and when you push it again, you got a high speed. And this baby will push 15 feet in front of you. It really pushes. Now, and this is a thing that really you got to pay attention to. This, everything on this thing fits extremely tight. And I reckon that's one reason it's so efficient. So when you push this down and it locks, it's hard to unlock. The only way I found out to do it was mash the release button, get your little screwdriver in here and turn it. Once it slides just a little bit, 1/8 of an inch, you can take it right off. But that last little tire down, look, it don't move. Now, this one here, you got to watch. If you can see, there's a big pin in diameter, small pin in diameter. When you bring this baby up, you better have the big groove lined up with the big pin, the little groove lined up with the little pin. Otherwise, you're not going to get it on. And when you start to put it on, look, I'm going to show you how tight it is. Well, I'll be dadgum. Anyway, the reason it got on that easy, I customized it, baby, with a little lubrication. All right? Now, to get that thing off, look, it ain't coming off. Not without your little screwdriver getting in the little groove, push it, and it'll come right off. Now, once you get that going, now just like it is, it blows. It's ready to blow leaves, but I just finished the driveway. It blows leaves. Now, here's the goodies. See this? You can turn this big boy over, and naturally you take the blower off. And you push this little button right here, and you open that up, and you pick this big boy up, and take this little hook right there, hook it under, push it down. Well, I think I can get it in there. Go on in there now. And it slips on. Now, and you take this, and you turn it over, and hook it back. It's just packed right now. And what this does for you, you take this sack, you remove this, take it off. The sack pops right on there. And if you're walking across the yard, but this is off, the sack's on here. As you're walking across the yard, you sucking leaves up into that sack. Friend, that thing has got a suction. It really works good. So I have no problem giving this little jewel right here, the Hydra Tough. I got this in at Walmart. I think it was $55, below 60. You might get it cheaper on Amazon. I didn't check. I had to have one. I went and got it. I was leery, but I'm really glad I spent that $50. This, I've had Stein blowers, the backpack Stein blowers. This here, I come real close of challenging that Stein blower, and you got to wear a backpack with it. This thing really does the job, people. Hydro Tough 12 amp blower vac combo. You can't beat it.